over time, the way we travel and the way we camp evolves naturally, really depending on where in life we are. I went from sleeping in the back of my 4Runner and really loving that setup to running a small off-road trailer now that fits my current lifestyle better. Joe's path forward followed a similar progression. He went from sleeping in a ground tent to a rooftop tent, and now an overland camper. And with Loki the Malinois always along for the ride, having a safe and comfortable space was always a big part of that decision. So after a lot of research and debate, Joe landed on the perfect fit, an overland camper built right here in Arizona. So today, we're heading on up from Phoenix, driving up to Flagstaff to the Overland Camper warehouse to get this install done. We scheduled a time slot for the install and arrived just a little bit early because we wanted to take a walk around the shop and meet Jay, the owner. Now, most installs take about an hour and a half or so while the team at Overland got to work, they invited us in to see the process up close. I had a chance to talk with Jay, and I got a real sense of how he brought his vision to life over the years. It was a very interesting story, and honestly, as a business owner myself, it was refreshing to see him take such a hands-on role and being directly involved with the install. Also, worth noting, Jay always wears shorts. Now, that's commitment. From their custom-built approach to their attention to detail, you can tell that these campers are really crafted with care. Every component is cut, welded, glued, sewn, and riveted right here in Flagstaff, Arizona. Overland offers a few different models, but what really stood out was their ability to customize each camper based on your truck dimensions. Now, Joe chose the Bivy model, but wanted a little bit more width. Luckily, that's where the Chubby Bivy comes in. The Chubby Bivy is about 7 inches wider with only a minimal weight increase. And weight did play a big role in this decision, because even with all the options Joe selected, this camper comes in right around 260 pounds. That is basically just one big dude hanging out in the bed of your truck. Another big factor is that Overland is a locally owned, family-run business with a great reputation for quality, and they're incredibly responsive when you have questions. It was fun watching the camper get fitted onto the Tacoma, tailored exactly to what Joe wants and needs. I have to admit, it was a little tough for me to just stand back and watch, since I usually do all the work on our vehicles. But it didn't take long to see that this team really knows what they're doing. And just like that, we rolled out with a whole new adventure platform. I believe that Joe is also one of the first to get Overland's new black shell with black trim option. I was a little unsure when he told me his color choice, but seeing it in person, yeah, it looks way better than I thought. Here's a quick preview of the camper fully installed and some of the features. I'm currently building a pretty unique 24-volt solar power system to run all the accessories in this camper, and we'll be documenting the entire build. We're approaching this camper a little bit differently than most, fully functional but minimalistic. That's it for now on the Chubby Bivy. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the full build out and complete walk around once it's dialed in for camping. And remember, life begins where the pavement ends. I'll see you in the next one, guys.